A man, a myth, a legend, one of the best soccer players of our time, Mohamed Salah. Salah is easily the best African soccer player there is right now, and this is his story. Mohamed Salah was born on June 15, 1992, in Nigrij, Egypt. His passion for soccer started at the young age of 16 and quickly showed his ability to control a ball, incredible speed, and especially his ability to score goals. Thanks to his good performance, he managed to jump to Europe, where he was hired by Basel, Switzerland in 2012. There he also demonstrated his great skills with high performance after scoring 20 goals in 79 matches. He also won 2 Swiss leagues and was chosen as the best player of his team in 2013. In 2014, he was signed by Chelsea of the English Premier League, but he was not very lucky because he did not have very many opportunities to play. In 2016, he joined Roma, which was one of the best moments in his career, improving his performance and becoming an important player in the season. His team was also the runner-up in the league in the 2016-2017 season. Scoring 15 goals in the tournament, all of the club's fans thanked him for the great job on the team of the capital of Italy. He played 3 seasons there, scoring 34 goals in 83 matches. In 2017, Salah made his comeback to the Premier League, this time to join Liverpool for a deal of a whopping €36.9 million. From his first season with the club, he showed the best version of himself as a player, who exploited his opponent's weaknesses with his great speed and technique, and became such a dangerous player that every time he touched the ball, it ended in a goal. Also, he is a forward who is very quick thinking when he passes the ball to his teammates. In his first season, he scored 44 goals in 52 appearances. He also broke some records between them. For instance, most goals for a Liverpool player in a debut season. Also, he made the most goals by an African player in a Premier League season ever. In the second season in Liverpool, he continued with his dominance and scored a ton of goals, while adding 3 titles: the UEFA Champions League, the UEFA Super Cup, and the FIFA World Cup Club. He also repeated as the top scorer of the Premier League for the second season in a row, in this season scoring 22 goals. He played with the under-20 and under-23 Egyptian national soccer teams, participating in some important tournaments like the FIFA World Cup Under-20 Colombian District in 2011, scoring 1 goal in 4 games, and the Olympic Games in London 2012 with the Under-23 national team, when he scored 3 goals in 4 matches. In the Egyptian national soccer team, currently, he has played 67 games while scoring a blistering 41 goals. His largest achievement in Egypt was when he scored both goals in a decisive 2-1 victory over Congo, one of which was a penalty kick in the last minute to make his national team reach their first World Cup finals since 1990. He was also the top scorer of the 2018 FIFA World Cup qualification, scoring 5 goals. This season, Salah has scored 18 goals and is very close to winning the league with his club in just a few months. Since he arrived in Liverpool, he has played 137 games, scoring an amazing 89 goals. Hope to see his reign of dominance continue throughout the years.